Airbnb has reversed its judgment to shoot rent listings of homes arranged within Hebrew settlements in the Israelite-occupied Western Banking. The go will settle down legislative activity driven by hosts, capacity hosts, and guests versus the U.S. company. Airbnb told it would now sacrifice all revenue of rentals in the Western Banking to human organizations. The settlements are deliberate illicit by World Act, though Israel disputes the. Airbnb liberated a declaration how told, "We know the difficulty of the question how was aimed in our early politics ad. Airbnb has never boycotted Israel, Israelite business community, or the more than rather than 20,000 Israelite hosts who are busy on the Airbnb plate. We include ever desired to give human beings a long and will go on to job in our society to reach the purpose," it added. More than rather than 600,000 Jews dwell in on 140 settlements constructed with Israel's 1967 invasion of the Western Banking and East Jerusalem, the Palestinians' complaint for annexed country. Down there are as well several 100 outposts, little settlements constructed out of the Israelite by the government's permission, through the Western Banking. Airbnb had florid critique of Palestine officials and humane rights campaigners for enabling listings of homes to lease in settlements. Recent November, the company announced how next an assessment it had remote 200 listings since the settlements were at the mandrel of the controversy among Israelis and Palestinians. U.S. law permits companies love Airbnb to attract in industry in these territories, it told. At the identical period, Lot in the World Society include set out how companies should not do industry there since they trust companies should not income on lands wherever human beings include been moved. The unique judgment to ban the listings was welcomed by Palestinians, and Humane Rights Look named it a breakout. But the Yesha Justice, that represents Novoslav, charged Airbnb of proper a policy website and told the judgment was this outcome of each against Semitism or surrender to terror, or both of. Why the judgment to refuse on the prohibition? Israelite lawyers registered a great activity fit, that is while a team of human beings in such claims sues the accused in one activity. The fit desired 15,000 shekels, $4,200, 3,200 pounds, for every army of the 200 homes how were due to be remote of Airbnb's listings. Airbnb told how by the regulation of a community it would no-go striker in performing the remove of listings in the Western Banking of the plate. The San Francisco-based business told it would enable listings through the Western Banking but sacrifice any income it engendered to organizations devoted to human aid how be human beings in various components of the planet. Airbnb told the identical attitude would be executed in the contested regions of southward Ossetia and Abkhazia in the Caucasus Mountains. The ad was done days following Israel's main secretary, Benjamin Netanyahu, pledged to appendix Western Banking settlements if he was de-elected. Campaigners versus the ban praised Airbnb's judgment. Eugene Kontorovich, CEO of World Law at the Kahilat Politics Message Board in Jerusalem, said AFP news story agent, Airbnb has carried out which we include length reasoned, how boycotts of Jew everywhere, though fair in the Western Banking, are discriminate the is a enormous strike to efforts to delegitimize the Hebrew present in the Western Banking, the campaign participant added. But Arvind Ganesan of Humane Rights Look told, donating profits of illegal community listings, as they've pledged to do, does anything to tool the humane affliction they include recognized how their activities reason. By ongoing to do industry in settlements, they stay complicit in the atrocity settlements flop, he added. An Pardon World paper published over in the year reasoned how Airbnb was amongst the digital travel companies profiting of warfare crimes by offer services in Western Banking settlements.